Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, first let me thank the India Foundation for the invitation me to the conference. It is timely that the conference is organized in the Maldives, which addresses various challenges within the country and in the Indian Ocean region. The Indian Ocean has strategically important sea line of communication. It is also theater of economic activity for many players. As such, it faces challenges in broad areas, including economy and security. Today, I talk about Japan's views on the major challenges in the region and initiatives to address them. First, our focus is maritime order. A rule-based, free, and open maritime order is cornerstone for stability and the prosperity of the region and beyond. Freedom of navigation and the safety of the sea lane based on such maritime order is vital for security, the world economy, and civic life. To further develop the maritime order, Japan is closely working with countries such as US, India, Australia, and ASEAN under the vision of the free and open Indo-Pacific. Japan has also confirmed their cooperation with the Maldives. In this context, Japan has been assisting capacity building of countries and the region. For instance, Japan invited Maldives to its joint exercise with the Indian Coast Guard last year. Besides, Japan conducted a goodwill exercise with the Maldives National Defense Force in April and July this year. Defending order of such vast Indian Ocean requires multilateral effort. Japan will explore cooperation involving more countries in the region, not to mention the Maldives. Second, our focus is on combating the piracy. Addressing piracy is crucial to all of us who benefit from a maritime trade. Since 2009, Japan has dispatched escort vessel and patrol aircraft off the coast of Somalia and the Gulf of Aden. In addition, since 2013, Japan has joined the Combined Task Force 151. To date, Japan has dispatched 3 commanders, in total taking command of the multinational task force for the first time since the establishment of Japan Self-Defense Forces. Our contribution would not have been possible without Maldives' cooperation. In the past, Self-Defense Force aircraft providing supplies its anti-piracy operation used to land at the Malé airport at the transit point. Japan iterated its appreciation to the Maldives in this regard. Third, our focus is on countering terrorism. Terrorism with the capability seems to still exist, and island countries by nature have vulnerability to such threat. We shall remain vigilant and enhance counter-terrorism capabilities. In this light, Japan has been extending the assistance. In relation to the Maldives, Our cooperation, especially through the UNDP and the UNODC, is robust. Now, work is underway to introduce facial recognition system, utilizing Japan's state-of-the-art technology. Last but not least, let me stress that natural disaster security challenges. Natural disasters such as sea level rise and the tsunami may inflict tremendously damage on island and the coastal nations, such as this beautiful island country, the Maldives. It could even be fatal for the country with the low average ground level. To help address such challenges, Japan has worked with the Maldives on many projects, including seawall construction. In the closing, I would stress the importance of multilateral effort across national borders. The Indian Ocean region is so vast that many players are involving. The challenges are complex. No single country can address challenges alone. Japan will join hand with all of the like-minded partners and stakeholders who can constantly encourage each other to take on challenges in the Indian Ocean region. Thank you for your attention.